Today we are exploring one of Bali's most fun adventurous spots. We are starting with the Glass Bridge, walking high above the jungle with unreal views all around. It's a little nerve-wracking at first, but honestly, totally worth it for the photos. Then comes the jungle swing, giving you that classic Bali moment, flying over the trees, the valley below, short, sweet, and perfect for videos. Next up, the rainbow slide, fast, colorful, and way more fun than it looks. You can go multiple times, so make the most of it. And scattered all around are photo booth spots, viewpoints, frames, and setup designed for easy Instagram shots without needing extra ticket for long queues. So whether you are here for the adventure, the views, or just content for your travel vlog, this place covers it all in one visit. Simple ticket, multiple experiences, a whole lot of fun. Bali doing what it does best. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.